Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and today is the 2nd of May 2023, and this is our second strategy for today. We're going to be trading the touch no touch on all our strategies. You can see we made 4.55 right here. Happy new month to everyone, and before we proceed, we'd like to let you guys know that our TOUCHSCALPER boat, the latest version 7.0 is out today, and we've sent this version to all those who have previously purchased the boat at no extra cost. And just to remind you guys that binary.com has been completely phased out, so henceforth we're going to be trading on the deriv interface, and the latest version 7.0 is now deriv compliance. So is deriv compliance, and you can see some of the results today. To order this boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscaper.ctydechnologies.com.ng. the boat is just 9.99 USD, and you can make payment using so many payment options on the order page. So many payment options: the debit card, the Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, Ethereum, Theta. So many payment options. Just check the order page to place the order. And the PIPSREAPER boat as well. The PIPSREAPER boat is a boat right here, and to order the PIPSREAPER boat, you can see some of the results today. For the PIPSREAPER boat is just 7.99 USD. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit binarypipsreaper.ctydechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER boat. And don't forget that all our boats now comes with a free ebook on how to make money trading synthetic indices. You also get our free binary options trading boat as well. You get all this for free when you order any of our boats. You also get the free Forex trading ebook, and you also get the free Forex automated trading boats programmed by me. You get this for free as well. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels for more updates. We have 3 channels. Check our YouTube pages to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. These are the links. We are going to paste this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So here is the info on the free ebooks. We also pasted this on across all our channels. To download the free Forex ebook, you're gonna have to first sign up for a free Forex trading account using any of this link. Then this is the link to download the free Forex trading ebook. You see the boats in the ebook. Just extract it. You see the boats in the ebook, and here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook as well. And you get the 4 free binary options boats. There's a link to download the boats in the ebook as well. So here is a link to read written tutorials on our forum website. So let's get back to the trading. Check all the video decisions of all these informations. So let's get back to the trading. So we've logged in, and we are using the dTrader. Remember, binary.com has been phased out, so henceforth you'll be trading on the dTrader. So I changed this to dark mode. So if you love the dark mode, you can change to dark mode as well. You go to dims, then you change to dark mode right here. So once you log in, you go to this section here. You choose the volatility 25 index, then you go to the trade type. You choose the touch no touch. Then you are going to set the ticks to 7 ticks. You're going to set the ticks to 7 ticks. We are actually going to be clicking on the no touch. We are using one indicator here, which is the Aroon indicator. You go to indicator, you go to Aroon, you choose the Aroon indicator. Check under trend, it's right here. You choose the indicator. Once you choose the indicator, you're going to see it right here. So you're going to set your barra to minus 0.389, minus 0.389. That's it right here. You're going to set it to minus 0.389. So we're going to be watching this indicator right here. We're going to be watching the down indicator, which is the Aroon indicator. So what we're going to be doing is this. Once this indicator goes right up a bit, and this one is also moving up, we're going to click on no touch. we're going to click on no touch. Remember, we are watching the indicator, the green indicator. Once it pushed right up a bit and this one also goes up, we're going to be clicking on the no touch. So you can see it's pushing right down. Okay, you can see it's up, both of them are up, so both of them are up, so we click on the no touch. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. Okay, that's another 4.56 right there. So both of them has to go up. This one does not go up really fast, but this one only goes up fast, but both of them have to go up. We're watching the green line or the red line. The green line, both of them has to go up. So let's place one more trade. You can see it's rebounding, so you have to wait. Don't place trade now when it's rebounding. You have to wait. You can see that the green one is completely down, so you have to wait for it to go right up, and it has to be facing up. Then this one has to be going up as well. The green one went up, but this one is still down, so you have to wait. You have to wait, you have to be patient. Okay, you can see they both pushed right up there, so that's why I placed that trade. Both of them had to go pushed up before you place the trade. So that's going to be our last trade, and let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. So you can see we want that trade as well, so you can go on and on and on. You can go on and on and on if you're using this strategy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.